Hello everyone and welcome back to New Tech. Today we're going to unbox the brand new Amazfit GTR 2. In today's video we will see what we got from the smartwatch, we will unbox it, do some tests, see what we got in the box and in the software as well, and run some tests, see how to connect our earphones with this watch, how to use the music control, and how to download more music in the GTR 2 as well. So all of these we will do in this video, and in the next video we will see how to connect it. So let's begin here immediately with unboxing. As you can see in the package itself, it says Amazfit GTR 2. We have here at the top some information on what we will find here in the GTR 2. So we know about the GTR that we have 14 days battery life, and we will find always on display, different faces, and plenty of health monitoring, line 12 built-in sports. You can see in the package itself we have the user manual like usual, and we have the charger in the other side. Very good package from the Amazfit. We have to get that too. So you can see the GTR 2 very good, protected with wraps all around the watch. So we have 24-hour heart rate, blood pressure, PAI, sleep, stress, etc. All of these in the menu of the GTR 2. Also, the GTR 2 is 5 ATM waterproof, so we have quite a good information here. We have to connect first the GTR 2. As you can see at the top, we have the time, percentage of battery, we have weather, here we have the torch, and next we have the brightness, automatic or manually. We have do not disturb, and we have the power saving mode, screen lock. As you can see, when you power on the screen lock, it will shut down the watch. You have to hold your button to unlock it. After that, we have here the searching. This is find phone, and the voice, the sound as well. We will see that how it works. In the second page we have theater mode, and here as you can see it will adjust your brightness and it will turn off your movement power. And next we have here the enable. So here as you can see we have some options like heart rate, data, calendar, and we have the music control. In the music control, as you can see, we have add to favorite, add to run, audio source, so you can change this from audio source that you have, the sound that you have in the watch or the phone. Next we have the weather. Here we have the heart rate. As you can see immediately it tells you the one finger method. We will try that later. We have the PAI, and down we have some notifications. We have here PAI, heart rate, blood oxygen, and workout. We have here outdoor run, walking, outdoor cycling, treadmill, indoor cycling, pool swimming, open water swim, climbing, skiing, free training, and more, as well as edit list. So you can see you can add more sports here as well. Next we have activity, stress, activity goal, music control again, weather, alarm, event, widgets. Here you can add some widgets in the watch, and we have the settings starting from watch faces. As you can see you have plenty of them here, as well as in the app. With that we will see how to connect video. We will download some more apps. So after the watch face we have here network and connection. You have next the display and brightness. You can adjust the brightness, auto screen off, always on display, and lit upon notifications. Next we have the sound and vibrations as well, and after that we have some informations here, and we have the user preferences, which we can customize a few things here and there, and we have the system at the bottom. So let's begin immediately here with some tests. As we saw the options before, heart rate is the first option. Let's see how fast it will measure our heart rate. So we have the result. As you can see, it tells you the stage of your heart rate with that circle at the top, as you can see right here. And we have some statistic down below. So when it tells you the heart rate measurements, it will keep going, measuring the real-time heart rate. So that is a good thing for someone, but personally I prefer when it tells you the final result. As you can see down below, we have a couple of other information about the heart rate. After that, we sure have the blood oxygen like usual, and as always, one finger method. You have to keep one finger above the wrist, and as you can see, it tells you again some information here. Place your arm horizontally on the table, keep still, don't move, and all this kind of stuff. You can see immediately we have some information at the top, so we have to wait until it's done and see what result do we get. You can see the final result is here. We have all the information here at the watch as well as in the app. We saw the workouts before. As you can see, the GPS is positioning. We can start without the GPS always. You can see at the top we have time, seconds going underneath, distance, pace, and heart rate. And after that we have average pace, cadence, speed, average speed, altitude, total climbing, and we have total ascending, total descending, and burn calories as well. At the right we have the music control, as we saw before. At the left we have lock screen, volume, and the session, or pause it. We're going to end it. We will try something else here. As you can see, stress is the next option that we're all trying. As you can see, it says remain still. The line is filling up slowly, and we have the statistic at the top. As always, these data will be saved in the app for us later to check it out. We will see how we did with these results in the video on how to unbox it that we will post later. So that was the stress option. We saw the data and all these kind of stuff. We don't have anything else to test here. You can see how the GTR 2 is looking. We are going to talk about the music control as well. You can see this is one of the songs that is already downloaded in the GTR 2. And we can raise the volume, lower it, we can download more and put it in this watch. And also we can connect it with the phone, with our phone, or use it as music control, not music player. And here we are connecting it to our earphones. You can see immediately it found our OnePlus Buds Z. In this way you can play some music from your watch and you can listen it in your earphones, so you don't have to carry the phone all the times to listen to music, and that is a very good benefit to have in the GTR 2. So basically this is what we have in the Amazfit GTR 2. I hope you find this video interesting and helpful. If so, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next video with another smart device.